So we had a tough weekend. Lots of rain. Car gets stuck in the mud. You get a new car. Nah, it's a rental. So we had a decent amount of rain, got the car stuck in there. Eventually we pulled it out ourselves. Here's just a quick update. Today's November, I don't know, Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Look at that, we got shelter back there. Tuesday for Thanksgiving. So we got a 20 by 10. This big tarp city over here. It's sealed, it's good. Amanda built a lovely shower over here. Amazing. And we're clearing this out, making raised beds, making everything look nice. Oh, look at that, it's fenced in. Protection for the dogs. What? What's this? 8 by 10 shelter? Whoa. We still got extra stuff in here. We get all this crap out, but this is our hangout for right now. Beginning of our kitchen. So we're gonna move this pole back and use that side for storage of other stuff once we get clear an area in the. So we're gonna take this tent. I know, fancy stove. And put it out there. And once the tent's out there, then we can move all our construction equipment from the shed into the other side, and we can have the shed for where we want.